Do I need to suck it up.
Quit smiling, get to business.
Sing me the song.
Sing a song.
Jump off of the ledge, my friend.
I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world.
Are you taping?
Yeah.
It's fantastic.
You got this.
Keep going.
You can pull my hair and touch me down there.
Keep singing.
Quit smiling and maybe I will.
Because I was about to go.
Entertainment purposes, okay? I don't sing for anybody. Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
There we go.
That was awesome.
Dude, I hit the rocks on my ass. But it didn't hurt. I just hit on them.
Fucking right.